Hello, my name is Natalie Tillis and I am Guest Services Manager here at San Pedro Center. As Guest Services Manager, it is my job to make sure all of our guests' needs are met when they're here on property. My faith is a big part of my job here just because it helps give me insight into what the guests need when they do come here. Because more often than not, when people come here, they're looking for a way to, one, kind of get away from the chaos of life, but also a way to connect with God. And the fact that this place also has been a source of a way to help me connect as well means that I have insight into that and I'm able to help guide the guests. San Pedro is special for a few different reasons. The first being this room that we're in currently, our chapel, the Mary Mother of God Chapel. The view behind me is kind of one of my favorite things about our property and just this space in general. This chapel, when Mass is held here, this actual spot is one of the most amazing and beautiful things to see during Mass when the priest holds up the body and blood of Christ in the elevation and you have this beautiful window behind you. It's a direct connection to God and His presence, and you can just really feel His presence not just in this chapel but throughout the whole property. The Mary Mother of God Chapel was actually commissioned by Bishop Grady. So it did not always exist on property, but he had it commissioned and specially built. And it was actually dedicated in 1992. And we actually celebrated the dedication anniversary not too long ago. I think the thing that makes San Pedro different from every other retreat center is actually our docks that are out in the back that end up on Lake Howell. That spot is, you feel like you are just away from the chaos of the world and you are in a whole different world when you are out on the docks, and it's just a beautiful scenery where you sit there and there's no sounds of cars or like the city. You're just there and you just hear nature and you can just sit and let your thoughts kind of settle and let your mind settle, and you can just let go of the stress of life. And I think that's one of the things that's one of the additional things that makes this property special. Whenever I have people that are visiting this place for the first time, the interaction I always get with them, or their comment that they always make, is surprise that this place existed, and just joy that they found this thing that they didn't know they needed, and just appreciation for the fact that this is a resource that they can use when they need it. So I think the number one reason somebody would come here for a retreat is to get away. I always tell people, you are a sponge and you give to people through the water in that sponge, but you have to refill yourself, just like you have to refill a sponge when you are washing dishes or whatever you're doing. So San Pedro gives people the opportunity to refill themselves. The thing I would like people to know about San Pedro more than anything is that it is here to serve. We are a ministry based in service to our community and helping them get back their joy and love of God. And I think the thing I would ask, if San Pedro is a foreign name to you, come out and visit us. One of my favorite things about my job is taking people out on tours on property, because seeing the wonder and awe on their face as they walk the grounds and see all the beauty that we have here, and the shock that this exists, but also the excitement for the future things that they can do here and the way that they can serve their teams and their people. That is one of the most amazing aspects of my job. So I would urge anyone to come out. Just come and visit us and schedule a tour and just sit down with me or any of our team to discover how we can better serve you.